Squids gonna be squids.
Alright guys, so I promise under any normal circumstances, I would never let my tire get to that point. That is miserable looking. But as you can see behind me, this is a brand new garage. My girlfriend and I just moved into our very first place, so it has been crazy busy. Just been one thing after another, but nonetheless, I've got a brand new Michelin Power 5 series tire to throw on the rear only. I don't have one for the front yet. We will do that later. But for now, we've got the Power 5. You guys might be asking why I didn't get the new Road 6 series, and one, it was a little bit more expensive, and two, I'm not so concerned with mileage. I'm kind of more concerned with the performance, so I'm curious to see how this one holds up versus the stock Dunlops. But nonetheless, we got to get this over to the mechanic shop so they can throw it on, balance it, do all that fun stuff. So let's load up and we'll see you over there. I gotta say, just from my short ride home on mostly highways, I could tell a stark difference between these new Michelin Power 5s and the stock Dunlops, even though these tires aren't worn in yet, which is what we're about to do. I'm gonna try to do some slow speed maneuver stuff to kind of work in the rest of the tires here, and then stick around for the rest of the video. I'm gonna go on a full ride, kind of review the next few days here or so, and talk a little bit more in depth about what I think about the tires once they're kind of worn in. But for now, enjoy. All right, y'all, don't judge me on my slow speed stuff. I've been slacking. Alright guys, I have to say, these new Michelin Power 5 series tires are night and day difference, or excuse me, tire, not plural, but they are night and day difference between the stock Dunlops. I was kind of skeptical at first. I never really thought the Dunlops were all that bad, and once you got them warmed up, they weren't that bad. But I gotta say, after having these Michelins on for even just a few days now, I've done a couple of days commuting, I've ridden around a little bit for fun, and the biggest difference that I noticed is coming out of a corner or a roundabout or something, those Dunlops would slip very easily. Shit this. But as you get on the throttle coming out of a corner, the Dunlops would kind of slip just the tiniest little bit. Like, it was never something that was like scary or something that made me like, oh my god, these tires are just the worst thing in the world. But I gotta say, the Michelins make a huge difference. So today we are out here in Tortilla Flats, one of the best places to come out for some technical turns and all kinds of fun stuff. That guy was lit. And we're gonna test the tires out for real this time. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts. I got the GoPro hooked up on the back for kind of a different angle, so sit back, enjoy the video, and let's get into it.
So unfortunately today is Sunday, so it might be a little bit busy out here, but in all honesty, I don't really want to like push these tires to their maximum limit right off the bat anyway, so I think it'll be a great day. We'll get some good runs here in these twisties and we'll see how they do. Man, this feels so good. Wow, so right off the bat, like, I have not taken a run out here in a very long time, and even when I do, like, I always have like a little warm-up lap. Right now it feels really good, and these tires, I don't know if it's just very confidence inspiring, it may be, but I just feel like these things have so much more grip, to the point where I'm like, why did I not get the front one as well? Because I'm sure that would make a big difference. But holy cow, this is a night and day difference. Like in that situation right there, normally the rear tire would kind of skirt outwards if you really hop on the throttle like that. Holy cow, already caught back up to the traffic. Yeah, I'm that fast. But wow, that makes a huge difference. I think I might go back and get the front tire replaced as well, just so I have a set and they're replaced at the same time. But wow, they're confidence inspiring, or it is confidence inspiring. And like I said, the first stock tire is not trash, it's not terrible, it's also not great, but holy cow, that's a big difference. I've had so many people talk to me and tell me that they've repped Michelin. Like, there's so many different options out there between the Michelin Power 5 and one of the Pirelli series tires is what I was looking at particularly. And I had a couple of buddies close to me, they're like, listen man, I've had Michelin my whole life. They had like the Power Cup 2 series, which is a little bit more like track inspired, but these things are amazing. I could really tell a difference. It might seem like I'm exaggerating, but I'm being straight up with you guys. Alright, so that first run felt so freaking good. Now we're going back for more. Thankfully, it's not too busy. I thought it would be a lot more busy today. Try to keep some speed through this one.
Alright guys, so unfortunately I didn't get to film a outro out while I was riding today. Some crazy event happened. I actually don't want to get into the details, but all I will say is I saw my very first motorcycle crash in person. It was literally like everything happened in slow motion. It was pretty gnarly, that's all I will say. Everybody's fine, I'm fine. I didn't have anything happen to me. The person that crashed is fine, no major injuries, and they actually walked out of the situation. So super blessed for that. But on a positive note, the Power Series 5 tires from Michelin were a step above the stock tires. They were a huge difference. I highly recommend you guys checking out some Michelin tires. Even the Road Series, I hear a lot of great things about the Road Series tires. So if you're looking for a new tire, check out Michelin. They are phenomenal compared to the stock Dunlops. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Ride safe, ride your own ride, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.